After you've created your account, it's time to enter some profile details. If we take a look at our profile, which you can do by clicking My Profile in the top right corner, you can see that it's a little anemic. At this point, all it shows is that we're an electronic musician and that we've got some friends. So we need to remedy this. By going back to our account, by clicking My Account, we can go to the left-hand side and hit Edit Our Profile. From here, you'll notice that some of the account information that we entered at registration is carrying through. So our username, profile email, as well as password and preferred genre and primary forte are still here. At this point, we could change any of this information and add our first and last name. If I deselect Use My Username, it will then use my first and last name as my account name. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to change any of this at this point. We're going to keep it how it is. If I scroll down, I can find some more information that I can customize. So, first, contact emails. Our booking email allows users in the community to directly contact me. So if there was a venue that wanted to book me, they could either use the internal musiciansplug.com system or they can just email me directly. We're just going to say booking at zhizzle.com is our booking email address, and contact at zhizzle.com is our contact email. It's not, but just for the sake of showing the customization, we'll put that in there. Then we have external links. Our external links allow users to check out our, personalized URL as well as our MySpace URL. So if I've got a domain name like jonathanhigley.com, that's my personal website, and then my MySpace URL, which is myspace.com/Digu, it'll put it into my account profile. Again, if we're looking at our profile right now, it's pretty anemic. We haven't saved our details. As soon as we do, this will change quite dramatically. After we've entered our external links, then we have the About You section. This is your bio and your featured bio. So your bio will actually appear on your profile underneath where it says About You. So I'm going to enter in a bio, and then we'll just take the first paragraph of this and enter that as our featured bio. The difference between a bio and a featured bio is our biography will show up on our on our profile page, as I said, underneath the About You section. The featured bio does not show up anywhere on your profile, but if your account has been selected for featured profile, then it will actually show up on the home page of the website. So we've put in our bio and our featured bio. Then we can add some musical inspiration, The Hoff, some favorites, Bowie, Daft Punk, Massive Attack, whatever. You can enter as many musical favorites as you want to. If you don't enter anything, it won't appear on your profile. Next, you have a date founded. This could be the date that you started playing music, in this case, since we're creating a musician account, or if you were a band, that would be the date that the band was founded. If you were creating an account for your, professional services account, that's where you would actually start, putting in where you guys get your first start. Next is our location. This is so that others in the community can find you. So if they're searching for musicians in the community, they can filter down the results. They could do that first by country, they could do that by city, and they can also do that by state. So I'm going to select my country, and then my city, and then my state. You can put in your zip code. I'd leave it out. Now, since this is a musician account, it's probably not a great idea to actually put my street address and my phone number on my profile page, as it will be visible to everybody who can have access to the internet. So for this case, I'm not going to put anything in for my street address or my phone number. Also, instead of deleting your entire account, at this time you can just choose the visibility. So you can say, I'd like my profile basically to be visible to community. That would mean that it can actually show up on the website, or if it's not. Now, you'll still be able to access your account and modify and change this, but it won't be visible to the rest of the community. So I'm going to update my profile. There's a little message that prompts me and says that my profile has been updated. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, now we're starting to get somewhere. Now, not only does it say it's an electronic musician, but that I'm from Salt Lake City in the U.S., that I've got a couple external links here. I've got a website, I've got a MySpace, I've got a booking email address, and a contact email address. That my inspiration is the Hoff, and that now I've got an actual bio. In our next tutorials, we're going to learn how to upload images, upload music, and establish some of the other profile details about our account. So stay tuned.